Today episode we will be stancing Fernando's. I don't know what year, but it is a Honda Civic. What's up? Good, how are you? Fernando, that's how he's sitting right now. He on ESR reps. Gonna go crazy here soon in a couple minutes. Not minutes for real. 3 hours later, crazy. But yeah, bro, he got something cooking today. We're gonna go crazy. Stay tuned. So these are all the parts that we're gonna be installing on Fernando Civic. We got top hats for the front, tilted, shortened knuckles. He got the extended ball joints. He got bags. We got the thing. These are rear camber arms. They're either camber or toe arms. Oh, that has to be toe arms because these are definitely the rear camber arms right here. As you can see, Low Life Projects made these. Yeah, I think that's all the parts you need for this. Alright, y'all, so far, here's these bags. He's gonna replace them with some new ones because they're like a little cracked up, but I got the knuckle out, I got the bag out, rotors, brakes, all that. And then pretty much I'm gonna put this one on. It's gonna have this extended piece, extended ball joint, which is already gonna give it a lot of camber. And then this is welded too, the knuckle. Oh yeah. And he's gonna have the top hats to push it in even more. What's y'all's predictions? I think he'll get at least -18, but we'll see. Low Life. Got a couple slots in here you can get for more camber. Yeah, I think he'll be able to reach. I mean, all he has to be able to do is fit this big wheel right here. It's a 5.5-inch lip. But with this one, obviously, it's only like an inch. And it was fender to lip. But I think he was like -4, -3 in the front at first. So we'll see. We'll see what this does. Yep, there we go. Alright, y'all, so we're changing out this bag right here. And then let me show y'all real quick what it looks like. It's all torn up. So I'm about to switch to these new bags and
I think you have to know.
yeah,
I think. I think we have to. Good. You almost break my hand, bro.
damn.
Yeah, you're good, you're good.
I'm Good?
Yeah.
Good? Yeah. You have to see? It's good? Keep going? I'm good?
You can keep going.
It cleared good?
I mean
Holy.
the barling is here, right here. The barling. That one.
Oh, the sway bar link?
Yeah, that's it.
Sway bar link is here.
Then.
I mean,
That's easy though, chat.
huh?
Yeah. That looks good. And it's not even aired out yet. I'm gonna keep going down.
Yeah, keep going down. Got her.
Yeah, can you air up?
Just the front.
Yeah,
That one is that split.
that again.
Damn, but bumper. I can go a little bit more.
That's crazy. How much is like that?
12.
Oh my god, that's perfect. So this is what the front looks like, aired up pretty much all the way. When it's aired out, it tucks a good amount. We have the tow arms here. I got my side out. Let me show y'all real quick. Tow arm's gonna go right there. Boom. And then we're gonna stretch this out all the way until it reaches right there, and then we'll be good. So we put the upper in, the LPP uppers. That's what we got so far. Y'all have, what do y'all think it's gonna be? I think, I don't know. Right now it looks like -12 or something, maybe -13, and then whenever he lowers it, maybe 16 or 17. But that's what the front looks like. It's obviously towed in, and then whenever you come back here, it looks like that. Crazy. Yeah, air up, air up.
Wait. That's all.
Okay, you're good.
You're gonna hit that with the.
My side's good. Oh. You got a little bit here. You gotta tell the toe. Crazy, bro. Yeah, this looks good. All right, y'all, we're pretty much done for the night. And then tomorrow we're gonna put new tires so it could fit better. We're gonna put 30s all around. These are 40s. We're gonna do 35 all around. And then we'll be able to fit these tires better and they won't rub. We're pretty much about to just do the alignment now. Everything's set. This is pretty much aired up all the way, by the way. And we'll see how bad this toe is. All right, y'all. So we got Fernando's car, pretty much aligning it right now. His number is right here, and even more. What's y'all's predictions? I think he'll get at least -18, but we'll see. I kind of called it, but this is kind of aired up. I said -18, 17, or 18, but it's pretty close. This is front. What do y'all think it's gonna be? I think I don't know. Right now it looks like -12 or something, maybe -13, and then whenever he lowers it, maybe 16 or 17. This is rear, and this was the before. We pretty much did an eye alignment, and then it's all good now. 17 in the front, pretty much 14 in the back.
Now for the air suspension,
It's aired out, y'all.
I said I wasn't gonna sin again, Lord, but I did. I said I wasn't gonna fuck that bitch no more, but I did. Started with a QP, then got a pound for 2 bins. Hit a lick in a Q50, sliding in a fin. Said I wasn't gonna sin again, Lord, but I did. I said I wasn't gonna fuck that bitch no more, but I did. Started with a QP, then got a pound for 2 bins. Hit a lick in a Q50, sliding in a fin. I just wanted to win and see all my niggas win. My nigga lost a trial, ask God why he ain't win. I'm sliding in a fin with the FN, AC piping, window crossed up.